In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink to an image in Microsoft Word. Adding a hyperlink to an image is a smart way to make your documents more interactive and professional. Instead of linking plain text, you can turn a logo, icon, or picture into a clickable element that directs readers to a website, email address, or another location within your document. To get started, open your Word document and insert the image if you haven't already done so. You can add a picture by going to the Insert tab on the ribbon and selecting Pictures, then choosing the image from your device. Once the image is placed in your document, click on it to make sure it is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see small sizing handles appear around the edges. With the image selected, right-click directly on it. From the menu that appears, choose Link or Hyperlink depending on your version of Word. This will open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, where you can decide where the image should link. On the left side of the dialog box, you'll see different linking options. You can choose Existing File or Web Page if you want the image to open a website or another document. Simply paste the full web address into the address field at the bottom. If you prefer to link to a specific place within the same document, choose Place in this document and select the heading or bookmark you want. You can also link the image to an email address by selecting Email Address and entering the appropriate details. After entering the correct link information, click OK. Your image will now function as a clickable hyperlink. In most cases, the image itself will not change appearance dramatically, but when you hover your mouse over it while holding the Control key, you'll see the link preview, indicating that it is active. To test the link, hold down the Control key and click the image. It should take you directly to the destination you selected. If you ever need to edit or remove the hyperlink, simply right-click the image again and choose Edit Link or Remove Link. Using hyperlinks on images is a great way to make reports, presentations, and digital documents more engaging and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.